Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is having the best weekend of their lives in these beautiful hot summer days. Oh, I love this era that Sneh is in it. It is giving I've healed, and the only thing that I want now is peace and love. It's giving love, peace, self-appreciation, self-worthy, and all the rest of all positive things that Sneh is. She's been recently posting her family, showing appreciation to her family, especially her mom, her dad, Umacele. She's been writing about Umacele, saying, "Thank you so much for raising my child. Thank you so much for standing with me in the most hardship times." We seeing she's posting selfies of herself. She is posting the whole family. We can see on this picture like she had posted the whole Mseleko family with all the kids. I think this picture, it was taken on season 7, because we can see that Makwela is not here, and baby Makwela also is not here, so which means it was taken on season 7 when Usamke was not yet introduced. We can see even the baby is not here as well, but you can see the rest of the family is here. Like you can see Abompilo, Abonge, Mawande, Zinande, the whole crunge of every Mseleko blood. We can see here all the Mseleko kids are here. We can see even the wives. It's only Umakhumalo, Umacele, Umayeni Nomangwabe, and Umakwela Agekola, and she's been posting all beautiful snaps, guys. Oh, beautiful snaps. She posted this one wearing this blue track pants and like a sports exercising bra. I think she's also working on it. So this era of Usne, like, I am doing me, I am doing everything that brings peace to me. I love this era of Sneh. I love wherever she is within the journey of your life. Like, she's showing so much love. It's like she's spreading love out there, and the universe is bringing love back to her. It's beautiful to watch. It is beautiful. I think she had accepted, and she had come to a conclusion that all she wanna have right now is peace. Peace, and more peace. And the universe is bringing all that peace to her. You can see on this picture also she posted him and Uabongwe, his brother also. Yes, Uabo, Uabo and this is not Abo. What's his name again? Lwandle. This is Lwandle also, abantwana bakaMacele. So yeah, we can see like they grew up together, and this is beautiful to watch. Let me know, what do you think of this era that Sneh is in? Don't forget to like, share, and